Hello friends, today we will learn about structure of atom, how to draw a modern structure of an atom. So, look here, there is a spherical ball like nucleus present at the center of the atom. This is called as nucleus. Nucleus is made up of neutron and proton. Neutron is denoted by N and proton is denoted by P. They have positive charge. Nucleus has positive charge. It is positively charged center of the atom. And electrons also found in the atom that revolves around the nucleus in a elliptical path or circular path. Okay. First cell, second cell, this is called nucleus. This one is called as nucleus. These are called as cell or subcell. Cell or orbit. They are also called as orbit. Clear? Inside this orbit, electrons revolve around the nucleus. First cell, this is called as first cell. It has name K. And second cell is known as L, third one is known as M, fourth one is known as N. Similarly, it's go on. First cell has only 2 electron in its outermost cell, while second cell, this one is called second cell, they have 8 electron in maximum 8 electron in outermost in L cell or so how much here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 electron. Second cell of the atom consists maximum 8 electrons. And similarly, third cell possesses 18 electrons. Count this one 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. एक ज़्यादा हो गया, इसको हटा दीजिए आप. 18 electron, maximum possessed by electron. Look here, each cell of the atom consists total number of electron present in total number of electrons in shell equal to, it is obtained by the using formula 2n square. This is the formula where n equal to number of shell. Okay. So, student, you may draw this structure of atom. Structure of atom consists of neutron, proton and electron. 3 basic particles are found in the atom. Electron is negatively charged particles. These are known as electron having negative charge. And here N is called as neutron. And here P is called proton having positive charge, but neutron has no charge. No charge means neutral. This is neutral. Okay. So, in this way nucleus possesses positive charge. Nucleus has also plus charge. Nucleus is positive. Clear? And each cell possesses number of electron. What is, if anybody asks you what is electron? Electrons are the basic source of energy. Clear? So, student, you will have to note this one. If you have any query and questions, you may make comment and ask me. Okay, thank you.